If your downloads on Telegrams are stuck or not progressing, then there are few steps you can take to resolve this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection could be causing the issue, and make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If possible, switch networks, example from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, and see if the download resumes. Then, simply try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple reboot of your device can fix minor issues. Restart your phone to refresh the network and app settings. Once you do so, then check available storage space. Ensure your device has enough storage to download the file. In iPhone, all you have to do is go to the Settings app on your mobile device. Then inside Settings, scroll down and tap on the General option available there. Inside General, tap on the iPhone storage and check for your storage. Or open Settings on your iPhone or Android and check the available storage. If storage is full, delete unnecessary files or apps to free up space for Telegram downloads. Also, make sure to disable any VPN or proxy if it is enabled. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.